Now, if you are a person who is actually looking into improving your appearance, your physical appearance in terms of how it appears, maybe you have something that you don't like on your body and you are thinking, where can I go or which procedure can I actually do? I want to share with you some of the eight popular cosmetic surgeries that you can actually get here in Turkey. The reason why I'm talking about Turkey, it is because of the high demand of these cosmetic surgery. People coming from all over the world just to do their surgeries here in Turkey. The reason being, we have best surgeons, and also Turkey offers affordable prices in terms of these kind of procedures compared to other places like in Europe. So welcome to my channel, and let's dive into the popular types of procedures that you can do here in Turkey. And also I'll be mentioning some of the prices, approximately prices, and also telling you how much you're gonna pay if you are in this country. So welcome to my channel. My name is Phoebe. Now, without wasting any time, let's start with the first procedure, which is rhinoplasty, or formerly, or maybe commonly known as the nose job. This involves actually the surgeon changing the shape of your nose. Maybe you have a big nose like me. Maybe you want to change because you have maybe problems in breathing, or maybe you have some deformalities inside your nose and you're thinking, how can I do it, or where can I go? Coming to Turkey, you're gonna get the best surgeons like I've mentioned, and also their offers in terms of prices, they are actually good. If we compare approximately, even though right now I have to mention that prices are going up because of the demand, the high demand of people coming to do this procedure, and also because of the lira going down versus the dollar, and also because of the high inflation rate in Turkey. Now, this can range between maybe at a low cost clinic or hospital, you can get around $2,000 to $4,000, compared to Europe, whereby you might get from starting maybe $6,000 and above. I'm not sure, but that is just approximation. Now, if you are thinking how long it's gonna take, I think it doesn't take a lot. The procedure itself doesn't take a lot of time. Within 2 to 4 hours, the procedure is done, and also you can go home, or you can go to your hotel and then rest, and then go back to your country. And then the healing process might take from something maybe from 4 weeks to 7 weeks, depending on how the procedure is, or depending on individuals. It is something that I have seen here commonly done, and also there are a lot of best clinics here, best doctors, best surgeons that I highly recommend. Maybe I'll do a video next time telling you the best surgeons or the best clinics here in Turkey. So number one, it is rhinoplasty or nose job, as I have mentioned. Moving at number two is the procedure of breast augmentation, or lifting your breast. Okay, now this involves actually resizing the shape of your breast. Let me show you mine. You cannot see them. But it is actually resizing the shape of your breast if you want them to be larger, and also if you want them to stand up, not like falling like mine. And then there is a procedure which surgeons normally do. I'm not a surgeon, I'm just giving you the information for guidelines for you to actually know what you can get here in Turkey. Now, it involves actually a procedure whereby it is done through anesthesia, and also it is done whereby we have implants put in your breast, and then you can get that good shape you want. If you are a person who is looking for good breast, and then Turkey is one of the best place that you can actually come and start doing your procedures. And like I said, prices here are affordable. You can start you can get this procedure at as low as $3,500, compared to maybe Europe, whereby it is more than that, maybe 7,000. I'm not sure. You can tell me if you are in Europe, how much do you get, or how much do you think the procedure can cost? Here in Turkey, for as low as 3,500 USD, you can do this kind of procedures. Okay, now Coming at number three is actually the procedure of liposuction. Liposuction is a procedure done to remove the excess fat from your body, maybe from your arms, or maybe from your thighs or hips or breast or wherever, if you have, or maybe your tummy, maybe around your waist or something. If you have a lot of fat on your body, you can do a procedure called liposuction. It is a procedure whereby surgeons might do it under anesthesia process, and then they actually put something, I'm not sure the term used, put something or put some tube inside you and then start actually sucking out the excess fat. They normally do it professionally, and also their procedure that is followed according to the surgeon's instruction. And then the process doesn't take a lot of time, maybe within 2 to 4 hours it is done. And also healing time is not that too much long time. It depends on the body and also on your like the process, the entire process, how you have handled it. Now the prices here are also affordable. Like I said, from as low as 3,000 USD, you can get this procedure and actually have your body fit. And like I said, these procedures, there are a lot of clinics that are offering best results, best surgeons. You have to consult someone who knows, or someone who actually can lead you to some of these. If you want someone, or you want me to help you find the best doctors, the best surgeons here in Turkey, because some of my clients are happy with the result after recommendation, let me know on this email and I'll be so glad to help you. Okay, let's move on to number 4. Now, coming at number 4 is the procedure of facelift. This involves actually whereby surgeon will actually, if you have a face that has many wrinkles and you want, maybe you don't want wrinkles, maybe you want those saggy faces, you can do this procedure to help you actually have a good appearance. The doctors or the surgeons will do it under anesthesia procedure, or under full anesthesia, and then they gonna lift your face and you will look more younger, more youthful, and just have that good look that you are looking for. So this is a common practice here in Turkey. We have best surgeons, we have best clinics here that offer these kind of services, and the prices may vary depending on the location and also depending on the surgeon or on the person, and also depending on yourself, how do you want it to be done. And the prices are actually competitive, but they are affordable compared to other countries. For instance, at a low cost, you might get this procedure around 3,500 USD, compared to maybe somewhere like in Europe, whereby it is so much costly, maybe even 7,000 or 10,000 USD. So if you're thinking to have a facelift, then come to Turkey or Turkey. Now, another procedure that is commonly done here in Turkey actually is tummy tuck. This procedure done under general anesthesia is whereby if you have a big tummy, and also it involves actually maybe doctor reducing or doing something on your tummy so that you can actually have that flat tummy. Maybe you have excess fat in your tummy, they're gonna remove that excess fat and also do a tummy tuck procedure, and then you get that good shape in terms of your body. Now, depending on the clinic, like I said, and also depending on yourself, you might get this procedure at around 3,500 USD, and also at a low cost, that is at a low cost, and the procedure doesn't take that much time. So if you have this kind of thing you want to do to yourself, come to Turkey, like I've said, compared to Europe, which is around 10,000 USD maybe, to get best result. And the best part of coming to Turkey is not only will you have done your procedures, you will also have the culture, like you will learn some cultures here, you will enjoy some various places to visit, because we all know Turkey is rich in history and also in culture. So coming to Turkey will give you that option to actually also learn something new and also enjoy yourself here. Okay, now coming at number 5 is actually the Brazilian butt. Now, this procedure is a surgical procedure that involves transferring parts of fat from your body to the part where we have your buttocks. Maybe you can take it, maybe from, they're gonna take from your thighs, wherever, some fats, and then they actually transfer it to your butt or to your buttocks so that you have a big buttock if you want. Not small like me. And then the shape of your buttocks, maybe you don't have, you are flat. Number one, you might want this procedure and then get that big, beautiful, or maybe not even big, just beautiful butt. Now the procedure itself is done under general anesthesia procedure maybe, and then the prices are very good in terms of Turkey. Like here, like when I say I mean prices are good, I mean you can get this procedure at as low as 3,000 USD, and then compared to Europe, whereby the prices are higher, and then you get the best result. The best thing is, like I've said, the best surgeons are here, and also they are experienced with good ratings, so you don't need to worry. Now, if you're liking my content and you want to hear from me, speak more, and also give you more information about Turkey, let me know in the comment section. And also do me one favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep on learning together. Let's move on to number 6 actually. Now, coming at number 6 is actually hair transplant. This is a common procedure done here in Turkey, and also it involves actually getting some or harvesting some hair follicles from maybe from your back side of your head and bringing them where you have bald. Now, if you have a big forehead like mine, there are some procedure that you can do. Maybe you can, but the other time that I went to hospital, but actually I was feeling somehow insecure with my big forehead, and I asked the doctor if they can actually help me to reduce my forehead, and then they told me there is a procedure whereby you can do it. And surprisingly, that doctor told me, according to him, like according to the way he looked at me, he told me, if I look at you, you just okay. I don't see anything bad. But if you are feeling somehow not happy about yourself, then you can do it. But he was against it. Like he was telling me there's no need for you to do it. Now, that hair transplant involves actually harvesting some hair follicle from one place and then transferring to where you don't have hair, or the hair is thinning, or you are bald, and then the procedure is done under general local anesthesia process, and then it might take maybe from 4 to depending to 6 hours, depending on yourself and also depending on the procedure itself. And then the healing time might depend. It depends on you, somewhere from 4 to maybe 14 days. And then the prices actually are good in terms of affordability, from maybe 3,000 USD, even as low as 2,000 USD. I've seen some people doing it. And then compared to Europe, it is affordable. So if you are having problems with your hair, you don't have hair, which is a common thing, you can come to Turkey and get this hair transplant or hair transfer. A hair transplant procedure. Now, last but not least is the process or the procedure of teeth or tooth implant. This procedure is one of the procedures here that are actually commonly done, and you must find the best surgeon or the best clinic to do this. My husband did it, and right now he has very beautiful teeth. It is somehow taking some more time, like compared to other procedures, but however it is also affordable. Now, the prices of this teeth or tooth implant is actually competitive and also affordable. Somewhere from 3,000 USD you can get a procedure, and then it involves actually, first I saw it because I was here. It involves, because he had a problem, he had removed two teeth before initially, and then the rest, they were like so painful and they were affecting each other. And then when he went to the hospital, the doctor told him that the best thing to do is actually to have a teeth or tooth implant. They remove all the teeth. I don't know how they normally do it, but it is done under anesthesia. You don't feel pain, too much pain, even though we have that pain, little pain. But you have to remove all the teeth, and then it is somehow some process. they remove their old teeth, and then they give you some days or some weeks. You wait. After waiting, you will go for maybe, I don't know which kind of thing they put, some titanium or something they put in your jaws to help you actually like before this time, they normally give you something plastic or some plastic tooth to help you actually eat, or just look like you have tooth but you don't have. And then once you are healed according to the surgeon procedure or instruction, they're gonna actually fix those real teeth, like the teeth implant. It is good right now. He looks so good. He loves, and also it not have problems, like no complication. The procedure is good, like I said here, depending on the doctor that you have used, and also it is very affordable compared to Europe. Now, I know I have shared a lot. If you have listened to me, I'm sure you have actually gained something and learned something. And what I will ask you is to do me one favor, to like and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get informed each time I get, or each time I make a new video. Otherwise, I have to end the video, and until next time again, like I said, if you want the best surgeon for your procedure, if you have any queries, let me know on this email, and I'll be so glad to answer or help you out. Otherwise, until next time again, I'll see you. Bye bye.